Ndewono. No. Ahambo Ifi Okiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. We're back again with the POH Student Spotlight Series. Today's spotlight is on Miracle from New Jersey. Here she comes.
Ndewono, hello. Ahambo Miracle, a student of Preserve Our Heritage. I'm going to be telling you about nouns and two easy sentences to learn in Igbo. Right now I'm going to start with the nouns. One noun is sea or ocean. How do you say sea or ocean in Igbo? To say sea or ocean in Igbo is osi miri, osi miri. Miri might sound like a familiar word, and miri means water. Osi miri is sea or ocean. Now we're going to go to moon. How do you say moon in Igbo is owa, onwa, which is moon in Igbo. Onwa. If you want to say tree in Igbo is osisi, osisi, which is tree in Igbo. If you want to say sand in Igbo is aja, aja, which is sand. Aja. If you want to say school in Igbo is ulu akwụkwọ, ulu akwụkwọ. Ulu means house or home. Akwụkwọ means book. Now let's go to the two little easy sentences to say in Igbo. Obi is, Obi is heart or chest in Igbo. Gi is your. Obi gi, which is your chest or heart. If you want to say give me food in Igbo is yim o iri, yim o iri. Iri is food. Yim means give. Give me food. If you want to say goodbye or see you later in Igbo is kemesya. So right now I'm going to say kemesya, goodbye.